mark on academics. Can't run.
Okay, I can't find the clips. Yeah, he used to be on live with him all the time.
With me in mind. Yeah, I was just in Memphis, nigga. It's 100% motherfucking me fact. You're gonna press charges. You trying to ride that hustle cartel wave? Fucking head, young nigga.
Okay, all right, enough. All right. Okay, cool. So last Finesse2Tymes topic. His contract got leaked. And I've seen a lot of people breaking down his contract. We're going to do our analyzation of contracts